Hey there, science fans. Welcome to another exciting episode where we explore the wonders of the human body. Have you ever thought about how you move around? Whether you're walking in the park, jogging on a trail, or simply getting out of bed in the morning, it's all a fascinating process. It's all thanks to your muscles. These incredible tissues are constantly at work, enabling every movement you make, from blinking your eyes to running a marathon. Muscle contractions make it all possible. Every little twitch and every powerful stride is a result of these contractions. These contractions happen when muscle fibers get signals from your brain. It's like a complex communication network where your brain sends messages through nerves to your muscles. Muscle contraction is super important for everything we do. Imagine trying to lift a grocery bag or even taking a deep breath without your muscles working properly. It helps us walk, talk, lift things, and even breathe. Every action, big or small, relies on the seamless function of our muscles. Without it, we wouldn't be able to interact with the world around us. Pretty cool, right? Think about playing with your pet or using tools. All of it is possible because of muscle contractions. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty of how these amazing contractions actually happen. We'll explore the microscopic world of muscle fibers and see them in action. Get ready for some serious science. We're about to uncover the secrets behind one of the most fundamental processes in the human body. Muscles are like ropes made of bundles of tiny fibers. These fibers are the real workers of the muscle. Each fiber is packed with even smaller strands called myofibrils. Think of myofibrils like the threads that make up a rope. Myofibrils are divided into segments called sarcomeres. Sarcomeres are the basic units of muscle contraction. They're like tiny motors that work together to shorten the muscle fiber. But how do these tiny motors get powered up? What is the secret behind the incredible strength and endurance of our muscles? That's where calcium and ATP come in. These two elements are crucial for muscle function and play a vital role in our daily activities. Calcium is like a key that unlocks the contraction process. It binds to specific sites on the muscle fibers, initiating a cascade of events. It's stored inside the muscle fiber and released when it's time to move. This release is triggered by nerve signals that tell the muscle to contract. ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, is the energy currency of the cell. It provides the necessary power for muscle contractions. It's like the fuel that powers the muscle's motor. Without ATP, our muscles would be unable to perform even the simplest tasks. Without ATP, our muscles wouldn't have the energy to contract. This would lead to fatigue and an inability to move effectively. When calcium is released, it allows myosin, a protein, to connect with actin, another protein, within the sarcomere. This interaction is essential for muscle contraction. This connection forms what's called a cross-bridge. The formation of these cross-bridges is what generates the force needed for muscle contraction. Then ATP provides the energy for the myosin to pull on the actin, like pulling a rope. This pulling action is what shortens the muscle, creating movement and strength. This pulling action is what causes the sarcomere to shorten. The sarcomere is the fundamental unit of a muscle's striated muscle tissue. When the sarcomeres shorten, they pull the muscle fibers closer together, creating a contraction. This process is essential for any movement we make, from lifting weights to simply flexing a bicep. As all the sarcomeres in a muscle fiber shorten, the entire muscle contracts. This synchronized action of countless sarcomeres working together is what gives our muscles the power to perform complex and powerful movements. It's a marvel of biological engineering. This is known as the sliding filament theory. The interaction between the proteins myosin and actin is at the heart of this theory. These proteins slide past each other, causing the muscle to contract and generate force. It's like a beautiful dance of proteins, all working together to create movement. Each protein plays a crucial role, and their coordinated effort is what allows us to move with precision and strength. And that, my friends, is how muscles contract. This intricate process is happening every time you move, whether you're running, jumping, or even just typing on a keyboard. It's a fascinating process involving tiny fibers, proteins, and energy molecules, all orchestrated by signals from our brains. These signals travel through our nervous system, instructing our muscles on when and how to contract. Next time you move, take a moment to appreciate the incredible science happening inside your body. Every stretch, every flex, and every movement is a testament to the complex and beautiful machinery that is our muscular system.